So Troy, firstly, what do we do?
This.
Yeah, you get the glue. And where are you going to put the glue?
Here.
Well done, you put it in the bowl. Go on, put it all in. All of it. Get it all in. Go on. Give it a good squeeze, go on. I thought that was a duck then.
It's really big.
It sounded like a duck, didn't it?
You are gonna bubble.
Well done. That's all the glue, isn't it? Yeah? The glue.
Put these two.
Put this on like so. Yeah? Put it up there for safekeeping. Right, now what do you do with the glitter?
You need to squish them.
You need to squish them in. Do you want to do it one by one, yeah? So, oh, you can do them both.
Help me.
Want me to help you?
Yeah.
Of course. Just gonna...
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Dave's going to fold this over like so. So then you can get all the glitter out.
Smell pig.
Yeah.
Ew. Smell piggy.
Ew.
That's the mouth. Mine.
Dave, see if we can get any more out of that, ready?
Empty.
Oh, that's empty now, so it's this. Oh, it's getting loads. Look at that. Wow. Wee. Give it a little twist, yeah?
Now mix it.
Now you can mix it. Yeah, go on, you mix it, darling.
Whoa, that's a
Mix,
lot.
mix, mix.
Look at that glitter.
It is glittery, isn't it?
Mix that now. It's slime.
It's not slime yet.
It's so sticky.
It is very sticky. Now what do we need to do, Troy? We need to add some magic liquid.
Well done.
Pour it in the bowl.
Pour it all in. Right, then you study the bottle, yeah?
Ew.
Mix.
So good. It smells good.
Does it smell good?
Yeah. It smells yet.
It's not slime yet, no.
It's got
You gotta mix it super fast.
the glitter's down there.
It has got glitter.
Look at this. It's not glitter.
Give it a good mix, Troy.
Wow.
Now we've made the slime. Do you want to play with it?
Yeah. Let's make it.
Where is it?
In the bowl.
Yeah,
Oh, slime.
it's cool. Right, get it all out.
Slime, so sticky.
Ooh. So out of there. Oh!
The slime.
Right, can you stretch it for me? Give it a good big stretch. Wow, that is... Whoa!
God. Ah! So sticky.
Oh, that's so sticky, isn't it? Can we twist it? Ugh, that's like a bubble wrap, didn't
Look
it?
at that.
Look at this bubble here. Boop.
Hey! Hey! Hey, Tommy! Gas! Ow, ow.
Help you out a little bit. Oh, it's on Daddy now. Oh. Look, looks like icy a little bit, doesn't it?
It's getting you.
Right, tap that on this hand, it will all come off. See, look. Yeah. Go on.
It's
Wow.
coming. Mommy, put that in the bowl.
Come on, you put it in the bowl.
I can't get this out.
Oh, dish. Should Daddy help you?
Yeah.
So we're going to do, we're going to grab all this slime. What's now stuck to the table. Oh. Ugh. Right. Oh dear. Come on, put your hand into that. Oh, it's everywhere.
Ew.
Ew, it's absolutely everywhere, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh dear. Right, Troy. Bye everyone. Have a nice day. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.